In 3D modeling, you should always develop a modeling plan in your mind before drawing the model. The plan does not have to be very detailed, does not need to be in scale, or include all the features. It does, however, shows a conceptual idea how a model should be built. For example, we have this model. We can have two different methods to build this model. One, we can start with the plates and then add this bar to the plates and then add these two cubes in here to form this model. Or we can start with a bar and remove this plate and then remove this cube to form this model. In machining, you should also develop a machining plan in your mind before programming the two paths for the model. Unfortunately, you do not have much choice because you can only remove the materials to create a shape. You cannot add materials to create a shape. Also, most of the time, you will start with a block or a cylinder, this type of common stock shape. For example, if I want to machine this model, I want to start with the block. I will have to machine this portion out, so my cutting tool will come and remove this material, and we can get this L shape. Now, we cannot cut this corner out with this setup because the cutting tool is round, so it won't, when it reach to this corner, it will not get that sharp corner. If we have to have this sharp corner, we will have to make some changes on the setup. We will have to flip this L shape this way, and then my cutting tool go this direction, can go on this direction, can make this sharp angle cuts. So because if you look at the front view of the cutting tool, is also a rectangle. So by the time it cuts through this material, it will create this 90-degree angle. But if this is flat, like this, by the time the cutting tool comes here, you will not be able to get that corner. So you will have to flip the model or parts and to make this cut. So it is important to have a machining plan in your mind before you actually programming your two paths for the model.